Hello everyone, welcome to Botany Insider. So Botany Insider is starting off with the much awaited crash course for the December 2024 examination for the CSIR UGC NET Life Sciences examination. The course will be having all the classes in the live format. In addition to that, you'll also get the recorded class of every single class that is taken up in the course. So depending upon your own time schedule, you can plan accordingly, right? So what are the various features? What are the various things that you're going to get in the entire course? First, there would be live and interactive classes for all the units, for every single units that's there in. In addition to that, general aptitude. If you have seen the paper of last 4 to 5 years, and if you analyze the part A segment, that is your general aptitude from basic mathematics, you get to see that every year questions are to an extent very easy if you have like had a very base level preparation of general aptitude also. So we make sure that in each and every course of our application, every course have general aptitude included so that you can have an extra edge in the entire preparation. So general aptitude will also be taken into consideration. We'll be sending hard copy revision notes to your doorstep in the entire course in the same price amount. So you'll get revision notes as well, which will help you out last minute for revising the things in the holistic manner. Every class will be given to you as record as well. In addition, PDFs of all the classes will be available as and when we get done with the course. As and when we get done with one specific unit course, you get the PDF for that particular thing. Every single day, questions are taken up in the class. PYQ sessions will be taken up. Weekly test. Every Sunday, you'll be having one test. And regular doubt sessions will be there. You can get your doubts cleared anytime you wish to. So, what are the important highlighting things? Every single topic will be taken into consideration in the live class. You'll be having a very clear picture of how you have to strategize your preparation, how you have to improve yourself in the upcoming examination, because some of you might have gotten borderline marks. Some of you might have gotten few less marks because of some problems in the strategy. Maybe you were not targeting part A in the previous attempt or anything like that. So every single thing will be taken into consideration in this course. It's a very, very properly structurally designed course that is starting from 20th of August. So you have a week in your hand for the enrollments. We have Independence Day sale starting very soon. So you can utilize the coupon codes as well for getting discounted prices. Now, talking about the pricing for the same, so the crash course or the repeaters course is for 3299, which is not even 1,000 rupees per month. So if you analyze it properly, it's of a very, very affordable pricing with the best quality content possible for you, along with the hard copy notes. So any one of you who's planning to appear for the December examination and wish to have this particular course, you can download our application from the iOS as well as from the Play Store and get yourself enrolled in the same. Every single thing is provided in the description box also related to the course. You can WhatsApp us on the number as mentioned in the description box. You can note it down from here as well. So you can WhatsApp us on this particular number and you can get all the details for the same. You can download our application from iOS or from the Android Play Store as well and get yourself enrolled in the same. Right. So this is about the course. The classes for the same starts from 20th of August. Everything you need for the December examination preparation, looking into the change in the trend, looking into the change in the pattern and the level of the examination, this course is something that you need to have an extra edge in the entire preparation. So I hope this particular video have given you entire explanation about the course. So you can WhatsApp us on the number as given, or you can comment down below. We'll try to help you out in the best manner possible. It's available in very, very affordable prices, and you can get extra additional discounts in the Independence Day sale and the Raksha Bandhan sale ongoing, right? So all the very best. Good luck. Take care, everyone. Remember, the classes for the same starts from 20th of August, right? So get yourself enrolled and book your slots, as we have very, very limited slots available. So make sure that you grab your seat as soon as possible. So this was about for this particular video. I hope it was helpful, right? So all the best. Good luck. Take care, everyone. Repeating again, the classes for the same begins from 20th of August, right? So all the best. Bye, everyone. Take care.